Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. It is hot out here today. It is November the 8th and it's 80 degrees. It's hot. I had on a sweater and I had to take it off because I was about to pass out. But today I have a gift that was sent from Berry&Bird to me. And they asked me to try out their product, so we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. I'm looking in the wrong spot. We're going to open it up and see what it looks like, and then we are going to try it out. So if you're interested in that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, let's open it up, see what's in here. We have, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's one of those little poker things that you can use in the ground to make holes, I'm assuming. And this tightens it up so it doesn't come out. So you can have it at any length that you want. I'm assuming that's what this is. I'm just making it up as I go. But yeah, that's nice. And you can wear it on your shirt or something. Doesn't have any inches or anything on it to say how long it is, but we have that. And oh, this is a very nice case. Y'all see that case? It says Berry&Bird on it. Sorry, the sun is probably have y'all the wrong way because that's the way the sun is coming. Let me stand on the other side. Well, then I won't be able to see. But anywho, oh, the sun went in, so that's good. So it says Berry&Bird on it. It's like a little Hori Hori knife. So this blade, and it's very heavy, nice sturdy wooden, very heavy, and it has inches, 1 through 6 inches, and it also has centimeters. So it has 15 centimeters on it. So very nice. Knife side, then serrated side of the knife, easy to dig with, very heavy. Also have the name here as well as on the handle, so it's very nice. So thank you Berry&Bird for sending this over to me. I would definitely put this on my little tool belt thing because I can hook it in right there and stick it in there. So we'll go use it because we got some digging to do, because I got to transplant some onions. So let's go do that. So here are our Walla Walla onions and the candy onions that have not come up. The candy onions have not. Walla Walla onions have. They are looking much better than they were in the other video. So pretty much above ground. All that's going to come up probably. So we're going to let them get a little bit bigger. Oh, honeybee still out. These are the red Creole onions. They are still up. And then the red guano have started popping up. Got a few of them throughout sparingly. Not that many of them at all. Oh, one of them creeper crawlers. Yeah, there he goes. Centipede. Anywho, well, we have those. But we got a bunch of the red Creole onions that came up, so we're going to replant those. None of the broccoli, not broccoli, none of the garlic has popped up that I planted. Usually takes about, that might be a little piece of one. Usually takes about 7 to 10 days for it to pop out. But the transplants are still looking good. All of them are still alive. That one's not looking that great, that little limb, but it's fine. All the rest of them are fine. It's supposed to cool off maybe next week a little bit. So let's see. This beauty It's looking wonderful since I transplanted it in this pot. Bounced back and it's liking it. So let's dig up a few more of those onions in this first row from right there, and we're going to transplant them somewhere else. So let's stay tuned for that. Before we dig up the onions, we're going to dig up this eggplant. I think I'm going to overwinter it. So I'm going to dig it up, put it in this little pot here. Of course, you're in there land bugs. Eggplants are not deep rooters. One of them jumping worms. So let's put his little foot back where he belongs in the ground. I'm going to put some onions over here, so that's going to go in the house. And hopefully we can have it for next year. Look at it, trying to get a flower. They ain't been over here forever. Anyway, so I'm going to put some more compost down in here, and then I'm going to put some onions. So stay tuned. Alright, we got some black cow, not black cow, some black velvet mushroom compost, my favorite. We also have some homemade bone meal that we're going to put in here with it, as well as some homemade compost from my bone meal. And we're going to mix this up. Really good. Got some peppers coming down the bottom. And this is where we're going to put some onions. Once I pour these tomatoes and peppers from right here, I should go ahead and pour this tomato that's in here right here. But I'm not going to pour my peppers until it gets cold. And I'm probably going to end up putting onions and garlic, because I got a bunch of garlic left. So I'm probably going to end up putting both in this bed. Right now, I'm just going to put some onions. So let's go get the onions and bring them back. Okay, these are the red Creole onions. I'm going to set them right there. Set that right there. You need a little small stick. This little Hori Hori thing is a little too big for that. Let's see, here we go. So let me get my niece thing. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to stay over here because when I pull that tomato up, it's going to mess up. And these onions are fairly young, but onions are resilient when you transplant them, unlike some other. I'm gonna put them about 6 inches apart, which this is 6 inches, so maybe 5. And again, my beds are 16 by 2, and I'm gonna put 5 on each row. And the ones at the front usually struggle because I be planting other stuff, and then this wood is right here, but maybe they'll do all right in here by themselves. All right, then 6 inches apart, which I did that one correctly. Don't want to plant it too deep because you'll kill it. So you just plant it up to that white, not below it, right at it, right before it turns green. That's a little bit too close. And yes, I'm planting these in straight compost. They'll be fine. They will be just fine. It's mushroom compost. Not manure. And you can plant your onions closer together. They don't have to be 6 inches apart. I have planted them closer. They still grow. This year I'm just going to see if I can get them to grow bigger. So, just trying something new. Each year I try something different because what works for some may not work for others. So, I'm going to go and put these 2 up here. I got 2 left. Well, I don't know. This one ain't really got no root on it, so I don't think that's going to survive. But yeah, so I got 12 planted, really 11, because that one doesn't have a root, but it may. I just might not see it. Highly unlikely, but anywho. So here we are. We have the 2 there. We got 5 on that row, and then 5 on this row. So that is it for my tomatoes. Red onions, red Creole, and I want to thank again Berry&Bird for sending me this over. I will be using it. So yeah. Alright guys, that is it for the video. If you're interested in a good quality Hori Hori, this is your guy. I will link Berry&Bird. They gave me a link and a discount code. I can't remember how much it is, but I put it on the screen, as well as the link where you can go and pick this up. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. There go the sun. Bye bye.